What is the best jobber alternative for pressure washing businesses? Well, for most pressure washing contractors, the best alternative is QuoteIQ. This business is all about speed, and QuoteIQ is built to help you respond faster than your competition. With MapMeasure Pro, you can measure properties remotely and send accurate estimates without having to drive to every job. You can track every lead through your pipeline, follow up quickly, and keep your schedule full without losing opportunities. Everything is connected: estimates, scheduling, invoicing, and payments. So once a customer says yes, the job moves forward instantly. And with automation and AI tools, you can handle more volume without adding more work. And we have InstaQuote, InstaSchedule, we have route density, we have route optimization, and it was built by pressure washing contractors for pressure washing contractors. It is lower cost, we have real support, and it is protected by our price lock guarantee. You can start a free trial at myquoteiq.com.